build AI Android app builder with Google AI Studio. So this is the AI Android app builder that helps you to build any Android app. It takes you from planning an idea for your app. It shows you how you choose the storage, and it gives you the prompt to build the Android app. As simple as that. All that you have to do is simply come in and click on generate Android app prompt. It will then take you through the 5 processes. Okay, so these processes, that going through the process, it will give you the ready to use Android app build prompt. Okay, so as you can see, this is the build prompt. All that you have to do is simply come and click on copy prompt to copy the prompt, and then simply come back here to Google AI Studio. And then all that you have to do is simply come and then paste in the prompt to build the Android app, and then simply come and then click on build. And that is it. It is going to build your app. So as you can see, this is the app. Let me tap on the app icon for you to see that it has successfully built the Android app. Isn't it awesome? So let me show you how you can also build your own AI Android app builder. All that you have to do is simply go to Google. From Google search, come and search for Google AI Studio just like this, and then hit enter. So when it comes, simply come here to the official site. This is the first one. Come ahead and click on it. It's going to bring you right here to the Google AI Studio platform. So to build it, all that you have to do is simply come here to where we have the build. You see that we have under it, we have new apps here. Simply come ahead and click on new app. So when you click on it over here, you can simply come ahead and build the AI app builder. Okay, so you have to come and then paste in the prompt right here. Don't come and then select build an Android app. It is not an Android app, it's a web app. Okay, so let me give you the prompt to build the AI Android app builder. There is a link in the video description. Click on it, it's going to bring you right here to this prompt. Then come here to where you have the master prompt, that is build an AI Android app builder. You see that prompt starts from here. Come and highlight it from the beginning, okay, to the button just like this. But I come and put the mouse on it, right click on it, and then come and click on copy to copy the whole prompt. So after copying your prompt, come back to Google AI Studio just like this. Come and paste in the prompt inside the chat box just like this. And all that you have to do is simply come here and then come and click on the build. So when I click on it, Google AI Studio is going to receive your prompt, and it is going to ask you to select a design. Okay, so as you can see, you have to come ahead and select a design, and we have so many designs that you can browse through. You can select any one that you prefer. Okay, so I'm simply going to go with the default. And then after selecting it, come ahead and click on select this design. And that is it. It's going to go ahead and build your AI Android app builder. So as you can see, it has successfully built it for us. And then you can simply come and then click on full screen so that you see and then start using it. So this is actually how to build your own AI Android app builder. Like the video, then see you in my next video.